in a folder. Yeah. So these are basically what more and more like folders that I've built up and I have series of what of workflows. The reason I added into a folder is just like be able to segment them and differentiate the kind of what their functionalities and what the complexity or what I want them to actually what to do. Just like automating business processes in depending on the action or triggers like you want them to take or for certain actions. So I just like um put it in the folder to make it more what to make it more easy for me to what to actually find and to be able to like find the kind of workflows I want. That's why I added it into a folder. So now for you to add to create a folder, this is where you create a folder on your workflow dashboard. So you name the kind of folder you want it to be, then you create it. So when you start clicking on the folders, you'll be able to create a series of workflows in that folder. It will be stored in a what in a folder, just like as if you're segmenting the folder to what. So you'll be able to differentiate them depending on the kind of what the kind of business process or the kind of activities you want them to do. So now this is what a folder. This is where you create a particular workflow. So now let me now click on the particular folder so you can see what I'm talking about. So now this is a what these are I'm clicking on the word delete follow up or delete missed call chatting etc. So now it's going to like show you basically the kind of workflows I have built in it. I don't know why it's kind of like slow right now. So I don't know why it's kind of slow. So yeah, we're not supposed to show back. Let me go back so I can see what happens there. How far is it? So yeah, it's actually loaded, and this is it. These are the workflows in that particular what in that particular workflow. So as you can see, these are what list of workflows in a particular folder that is a lead follow up and not lead miss call folder that I tapped. So now this is it. These are what workflows I already built in that folder. So now this is where I actually created a particular what a new folder. And in this place is we show you for you to select a recipe or for you to start from scratch. For you to select a recipe or to start from scratch. So now selecting a recipe is just like a pre-built template already built in what in your account. That is quite level actually like we're already giving you a pre-built template. Maybe you don't want to actually build from scratch. You can just pick up what you can select a recipe. Let me click on selecting a recipe. Yeah. This is where you pick up what templates that you want. Yeah. Templates. You see templates for importation for a campaign, WhatsApp delivery status, or a missed call WhatsApp back, WhatsApp text back, whatever. Then this is what send product recommendation using GPT. These are what pre-built workflows already. These are what appointment and confirmation reminders. That is, you don't want to actually be from scratch. You just want to use what these templates and what and optimize it in relation to your what the kind of business you're doing. So, but basically, we are going to what we starting from scratch is just what you want to actually like. You want to start up your automation and add your own what triggers and action depending on the kind of what the kind of action you want the workflow to like to pass through. You understand? So now let me now go back and take you on the workflow I already built on how to add what triggers and how to add actions to your workflows. So now I'm going to like just show you on how to what to easily what be able to like manage and create your own workflows without the help of anyone. So basically, yeah, this is what a built workflow like a kind of workflow I already built. So now I will now show you how I added all this what trigger. Basically, For built a workflow to start from scratch, it doesn't have all this yet. It just have this at first, then just a what, a plus action, that is these triggers are just like what you want, what we actually what make this workflow come into action. That is, this is what will happen before this particular action actually like occur. This is what should actually like trigger the workflow to what, to start working. These are the actions that will be like, if you, this particular thing needs to happen before this actually come into what, into place. You understand? So that's what just triggers means. And how I added this trigger was what, we're talking about a missed context bar. So I added a what, a call status what trigger. This is it here. This is what triggers looks like. Triggers. So now I added a what, a call status trigger.